distant firelight burns bright, wondering why it's only after dawn. I find myself in the room, feel the fever of honeydew, falling through the floor. I'm knocking on the devil's door, yeah. In the dawn, I wake up to find her gone, and a note says only after dark. In my heart, a deep and dark and lonely heart, once heard